What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my exploiter I made. It's called AlpHa Exploiter version 1. I'll leave the link in the description for the download if you guys want to get it. But once you head over to this link, you'll see download or import to. You want to click download. You want to open up the WinRAR file. You just want to click extract to and then desktop. And once you do that, you just open up the folder. You should have these three files, the WeirdDevs API and this exploit main DLL. You just want to open up the exe AlpHa Exploiter version 1. Open it up. And you should see it like this. Sorry, it was like really compact and hard to make all this stuff, but please join our Discord right here. Too bad you can't like copy and paste or anything. Further updates, this will be even better, but all of these work, like everything you see here work. It's kind of like scattered because I didn't want people stealing my work, so I had to add that right there. That's also the picture of our Discord and our Discord code. You got your, this is basically your inject, right here, that's the player name and speed value. But I hope you guys do download this and enjoy my exploit. It's virus free, does not have a virus. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.